Hi everyone, welcome to our another online class session. In this class, we are going to see Unit 5 Normal Distribution. First, let us come to the definition of normal distribution. Normal distribution comes under continuous distribution and it has very popular practical calculations. Let us now see the definition of normal distribution. A normal distribution, or it is called as Gaussian distribution, is most widely used continuous distribution. Now, a random variable capital X is said to follow normal distribution if its probability density function is given by f of x equal to, this is f of x equal to 1 divided by sigma into root of 2 pi into exponential of minus x minus mu the whole square divided by 2 into sigma square. You see here mu is nothing but mean and sigma square is variance. Otherwise sigma is standard deviation. So mu and sigma take usual notation such as mean is mu, mean is mean mu, mu is mean and sigma is standard deviation. And as well as normal distribution has some unique properties, and normal curve, the corresponding normal curve is bell shaped curve. This normal curve can also be termed as frequency curve of normal distribution. That frequency curve of normal distribution is always bell shaped. First let us see mean mu and sigma square. See, mean mu and sigma square are parameters of normal distribution, and we write mathematically the notation for a random variable following normal distribution as x wave n of mu n of mu comma sigma square. So you call this tilde symbol as follows. So x follows normal distribution of parameters mean mu and variance sigma square. So you simply call it as x follows normal distribution. And as well as the mean of normally distributed population lies at the center of the normal curve. Mean always lies in the center of the normal curve. Okay, always you see normal curve is symmetry about origin. Normal curve is symmetry about x equal to mean mu. It is symmetric about mean mu. That is mean mu lies exactly middle of the normal curve, and the normal curve is bell shaped. And another property, these properties are very important. You should study this property. Based on this property you will have number of questions for 1 mark. Second point, the mean, median and mode of the normal distribution coincide. So mean, median, mode of the normal distribution always merges in the normal curve. A normal curve is bell shaped and symmetrical about the vertical through the center. Normal curve is always, as we have already told, that normal curve is bell shaped and symmetrical about the vertical line through the center. And next, the curve is asymptotic to the x-axis on both sides. You see here the curve, it will not touch this line. So this curve is asymptotic. Asymptotic means it goes infinite distance with this line parallelly, but it will not touch the x-axis. This is called asymptotic. So this curve is asymptotic and this is symmetric about x equal to mu. So x equal to mean value lies exactly center of this normal curve. And you see total area of normal curve. Since normal curve is a probability curve, then the total area of normal curve is always 1. And this x equal to mu bisects this entire area. then right hand side value is 0.5 and the left hand side value is 0.5. So that is what here the curve is asymptotic to x-axis on both sides, and normal distribution is a limiting care of binomial distribution when n tends to infinity. This is very very important. When n equal to infinity, normal distribution approach normal distribution is a limiting case you call it is limiting case of binomial distribution when n tends to infinity. Neither p nor q is very small. Next, normal distribution is a limiting case of Poisson distribution also if the value of the mean lambda is very large. So when lambda mean value for Poisson distribution, the parameter is lambda, and mean value and variance value are also lambda for Poisson distribution, and when lambda value, that parameter lambda gets larger value, then it automatically approaches normal distribution. And next, the mean of the normal distribution is mu and its variance is sigma square. This part what we already saw. Okay, and this is curve, normal standard normal curve, and this is another form of standard normal curve, same form. Some portions are explained here. This is asymptotic, and these two areas are symmetric, and this part is unimodal, and the mean, median, mode all are coinciding in normal curve, and this is x equal to mu. This line is x equal to mu. That's all. And you see this already we have seen some basic properties. Now we are going to see standard normal curve. Total area, we discussed about total area. The total area of normal curve is always 1, and mean, median, mode or coincide are equal. The normal curve is bell shaped and is symmetric about the mean. So symmetric about the mean, this part is symmetric. Okay, symmetric about mean. The total area under normal curve is equal to 1, and the normal curve approaches but never touches the x-axis as it extends further and further away from the mean. That this type of normal curve never touches the x-axis, and it extends infinitely, means that line is called asymptotic. Asymptote, name of that line is asymptote. So normal curve, the line is asymptotic to x-axis. That verse is also correct one. And I would like to say one thing. Applications of normal distribution is very vast. So it is vastly now also being used in many areas, and this is one recent information as we are suffering from this corona effect throughout India, not even throughout India, throughout the world. And this is the spread of corona in our country, and it shapes like a normal curve. Normal curve. This is 10, 3, 20, and this is 23, 20, and this is this is 30th March 2020's calculation. Corona effect. Here number of cases recorded, and these are all in numbers of hundreds, and this is as of April 9th, April 19th, and this is just today's 20th April 2020 record in India. So it approaches, this is actual, and this is prediction. So this prediction, and it be by using the prediction rule, statistical prediction, so it will come down and it will get 0 in the month of 6th, January, in the month of 6th, May, June, and by 18th June it will become 0. So the effect of coronavirus is being explained through normal distribution, through normal curve. It is bell shaped, no? It is bell shaped. So normal curve is vastly being used in every field. Statistics is always being used in every field. This is one of the important component of probability and statistics.